5 healthy drinks that speed up your metabolism and burn fat quickly. 1. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass helps to boost your metabolism and it also alkalizes the system. Wheatgrass is filled with nutrients such as vitamins A, B, C, E, K, iron and minerals such as zinc, copper, potassium, manganese, and selenium. 2. Green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest drink you can consume to speed up your metabolism. Green tea contains high level of antioxidants, flavonoids and catechins which can reduce the formation of free radicals in your body and protect your cells from damage. Green tea is also great for stopping premature aging and losing weight. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a powerful drink. Simply mix it with water and take it throughout the day to increase the metabolism, fat burning and weight loss. 4. Vegetable juice. Vegetable juice is especially of green leafy vegetables is great for weight loss and a faster metabolism. Drinking this juice is a great way to flush the toxins out of your system. 5. Lemon water. Lemon water helps to raise the metabolism and burn fat. Lemons contain flavonoids with potent antioxidant properties and they help protect your cells from damage. So these are the 5 healthy drinks that speed up your metabolism and burn fat quickly. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.